Hey guys, it's Vidhi. So I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 Vaseline hacks apart from lip care. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button and give a big thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Grow your eyelashes. Apply some Vaseline to your eyelashes. It will give you a really shiny effect and it will grow your eyelashes very soon. Keep the perfume intact. Rub some Vaseline on your wrist, then spray off your perfume. The perfume will last longer and you will feel fresh. Treat the split ends. Split ends are annoying, so to avoid that, apply Vaseline on your split ends and this will recover your split ends very sooner. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you next time.